In this video, I'll be showing you how to reverse video in CapCut PC and make a rewind effect. Start by dragging your video into the timeline. Move the playhead to where you want the video to reverse, then press the split button or Ctrl B on your keyboard. Move the playhead to where you want the reversed clip to end and split the clip again. Right-click on the part of the video you want to reverse, then go to Edit and select Reverse. Alternatively, you can click the Reverse button on the toolbar. Wait for the process to complete and the video will be reversed. Another way that you might want to use this is to have your video play up to a certain point, then reverse what was just seen before playing again. To do this, split the video where you want the reverse effect to start. Select the clip before it and press Ctrl-C, then press Ctrl-V to paste it. Move the new clip so it's where you made the split. Click the reverse button, then wait for the process to finish. Trim the clip down if needed, then copy and paste the first clip to have the video play again, or simply add a new clip that you want to play instead. You now know how to reverse video or do a rewind effect in CapCut PC. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.